Come one, come all, don't be late. The animal parade is at the gate. From A to Z they march in line. With tails and feathers, it's party time. A is for alligator, big and green. B is for bear with a mighty lean. C is for cat who purrs so loud. D is for dog who's wagging proud. E is for elephant, strong and tall. F is for frog who hops for all. March, march, here they go. Animals dancing in a row. Letters and creatures side by side. Join the parade, enjoy the ride. G is for giraffe with a neck so high. H is for hippo who loves to sigh. I is for iguana, scaly and bright. J is for jaguar with spots of light. K is for kangaroo, jump and spin. L is for lion with a golden grin. March, march, here they go. Animals dancing in a row. Letters and creatures side by side. Join the parade, enjoy the ride. M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for newt near the apple tree. O is for owl with eyes so wide. P is for penguin with a chilly slide. Q is for quail, quiet and shy. R is for rabbit, hopping by. March, march, here they go. Animals dancing in a row. Letters and creatures side by side. Join the parade, enjoy the ride. S is for snake who slithers low. T is for tiger with stripes that glow. U is for urchin from the sea. V is for vulture in a tree. W is for whale with a splashy tail. X is for x-ray fish, sleek and pale. Y is for yak with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra dancing there. They all parade from A to Z, waving and cheering happily. March, march, here they go. Animals dancing in a row. Letters and creatures side by side. Join the parade, enjoy the ride. The animal parade has come to an end, but they'll be back, your letter friends. From jungle to desert, sky to sea, they marched with joy and soul.